In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook ad post in Canva for real estate. We'll move step by step so you can create a clean professional ad that's the right size, on brand, and ready to grab attention. Start by opening Canva and searching for Facebook ad. Choose a size that fits where you plan to post, 1080 by 1080 for a square feet post, or 1200 by 628 for a landscape ad. Picking the correct dimensions upfront keeps everything sharp and avoids awkward cropping later. If you prefer a head start, select one of Canva's Facebook post templates. They're already formatted to fit. Next, in the Templates tab, search Real Estate. You'll see options for just listed, open house, and just sold. Browse for a layout that matches your property's style and your brand personality, modern and minimal for sleek condos, warm and inviting for family homes. Choose something with a clear photo area and room for key details. Now customize your visuals and branding. Upload your property photos and drag them into the image frames. Double-click to reposition or crop. And use the Adjust panel for a light brightness or contrast lift. Keep edits subtle so the home looks true to life. Add your brokerage logo and place it where it's always visible but not overpowering, typically a corner. Match the design to your brand by updating colors and fonts. Consistency builds recognition. Include your agent details, a clear profile photo, your name, and a preferred contact method. Keep this section neat and easy to find. Create compelling text that guides the viewer. For the headline, be direct and enticing, like stunning modern home in area. In the details, list the essentials, price, bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. Keep the copy short so it's scannable, and emphasize the most attractive number. Finish with a clear call to action, such as click learn more to see photos or 500 for price. Make sure your CTA stands out with strong contrast. If you need extra structure, use the Elements tab for shapes, lines, or frames to separate sections or build a photo grid. Keep the layout clean. Generous spacing, 2 fonts max, and 2 or 3 brand colors. Step back and check that nothing feels crowded and that the text is readable on mobile. When you are happy, click Share and download as PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a smaller file size. That's it. Thanks for watching.